to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy DIY bookmark at home. So let's see the items you will need. The items you will need are watercolor paints. Here I'm using watercolor cakes, a paintbrush, a black marker, white acrylic paint, a toothbrush, a white color marker, glue, a puncher, some thread, and 2 strips of paper. So I have a white strip and a yellow color strip. The measurement of the white strip is 5 by 20 centimeter and the measurement of the yellow strip is 6 by 21 centimeter. So let's start. So first we will take our strip of paper and we will paint it blue as we are doing a space theme. Now we will let it dry. Now once the bookmark is dried, we will take a white paint and a toothbrush. We will dip the toothbrush in the white paint and now we'll spray it. And now, once the star effect is done, we will let it dry. Once the bookmark is dried, we will draw the planets and stars with a black marker. Now we will color it with a black marker. Now once we have colored the planets and stars, we will do some highlights with our white color pen. Now we will stick it with glue to our white strip of paper. Once the bookmark is stuck to the yellow paper, I have laminated it. This is how it looks after lamination. I have laminated my bookmark so that it doesn't get spoiled and stays longer. And then I used my punch to punch a hole. And then I tie the thread on the hole. You can make many designs like I have. Isn't it easy and beautiful? You should try it out. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Bye!